dating back from since
What am I doing?
2009. From since 2009 to date, I have seen that the Auditor General keeps finding one set of problems. Overpayment of contracts, stores regulations being violated, the government, they pay the contractor too much percentage of the money to start up the contract. A series of problems the Auditor General has been finding dating back. Well, I have reports from 2009. I believe it goes further back.
That was Member of Parliament Ganesh Mahipaul recently highlighting a number of staggering issues he claims repeatedly appear in the Auditor General's report on government expenditure, which are carefully examined at the level of the Public Accounts Committee. Mahipaul related to the panelists that as a means of rectifying these issues, he suggested to the committee through its chairman, German Figuera, that the members on each side of the divide should coin effective ways to address the habitual malpractices among office holders. But follow-up actions for these and other recommendations are lacking on the government's part, Mahipaul alleges.
That the government of the day, they have to implement the recommendations that come out. Look, Bishop Edgil is in the PAC. Bishop Edgil complains bitterly when he examined 2017 and 2018 report about paying contractors more than the stipulated amount as the initial payment, which I think is between 10 to 20%. And in the Auditor General's report of 2020, I pointed out to him in the National Assembly that there are contracts that came out from his ministry where contractors were paid 50% and the work has not begun.
In terms of the implementation of heavy sanctions, including imprisonment for persons found culpable of misusing public funds, Mahipaul informed that this responsibility falls in the ambit of the Finance Secretary, Sukarishnalal Pasha. Be that as it may, those are not the only issues affecting the Public Accounts Committee. With the passage of a motion in the National Assembly endorsing an increase of the quorum of the PAC from 3 to 5 members, Mahipaul alleges that members from the government side have been absent for a series of meetings, forcing cancellations. Before the passage of this motion, a quorum was any 3 members of the committee, and this existed since 1963. A quorum now requires 5 members, 2 representing the government, 2 representing the opposition, and the chairperson. Timeka Rodney reporting for the HTB Nightly News.